Say hi. We're at Candy. Look at the Candy. I'm gonna put this on Facebook.
These are so nasty, but it has SpongeBob on it.
You think Krabby Patties are nasty? Krabby Patties are yummy.
No, these ones are nasty.
Those are Krabby Patties. They're good.
No, these ones are nasty.
How are they nasty?
They taste nasty.
They're the same.
No, it's nasty. It's fruity. It's nasty.
Do you think gay people are nasty?
That's what these are.
The dudes aren't, at least.
What the heck is that?
Maracas.
Snow caps. What are snow caps? Oh, we have like 3 of those in my house.
They're huge.
I know. I smoked them too. It was funny.
Come on. Oh. Hopefully it doesn't tip. Or just... No, just kidding. That will fall. But try to... That doesn't work at all.
I'm just try.
Don't fall.
Go. It won't move. Oh no, Ray, watch out, watch out, watch out. Stuff that button. Ah. Whoa!
Oh, that was the can.
Okay, bye.